Here we go. 35 degrees, pushing snowbanks back. School's out for a week, so we'll give it some time to melt whatever spills into the parking lots, and obviously have to treat it with sand. Man, my bed looks gray because it is. But John running the skiddy. Be here for 3-4 hours probably. Get a winter's worth of snow to push back and make some more room. About as far as I can go with the truck as far as stacking. So anyhow, enjoy the sunshine, people, and spring and cutting grasses around the corner. Pushbacks today, making more room for the next storm. It's going to be in the 40s all week, so we're in good shape. Done pretty much everything I can with the truck here, so time to bring in the equipment.